Imagine waking up every day feeling empty even though your life looks stable from the outside, going to work, talking to people, sharing your life with someone, yet feeling disconnected, tired, and lost, like you're only surviving instead of truly living, and one day realizing you no longer recognize yourself. But this feeling is not new because Stoic thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus faced the same struggle and taught that real change begins from within. So the first Stoic rule is to fix the mind by taking control of your thoughts instead of letting noise, comparison, and fear control you, feeding your mind with useful knowledge instead of mental junk, choosing who you want to become rather than chasing shallow goals, breaking limiting beliefs like, I can't, or it's too late, and training your mind daily with discipline and awareness, because when you master your thoughts, you regain direction and strength. The second rule is to fix the body because it's strong. Mind cannot live in a weak body, meaning you must treat your body with respect through discipline, movement, and conscious eating, not for perfection, but for control and self-respect. Understand that every small choice either builds you or breaks you, and when your mind is clear and your body is strong, you stop drifting through life and begin rebuilding yourself with purpose, presence, and inner power. Every choice you make strengthens or weakens your willpower because food, sleep, movement, and discipline shape both your body and your mind. So eat with purpose, sleep well as an act of self-respect, move your body daily to release stress and rebuild strength, and choose small discomforts like cold showers or exercise to train trust in yourself. Because these habits remind you that you are still in control, then fix your heart by facing your emotions instead of numbing them, listening to your inner voice in silence, letting go of anger, guilt, and regret through forgiveness, and living with purpose by helping, giving, and connecting with others, because a heart that serves never becomes empty. And when mind, body, and heart work together, they form one powerful cycle where clarity guides action, strength supports emotion, and purpose fuels discipline, just as the Stoics lived through daily effort, not perfection, showing that real change comes from small, consistent choices. So if you show up every day, stay loyal to your path, and act with intention, you will stop merely surviving and begin truly living, becoming calmer, stronger, and unshakable, understanding that you are the author of your own transformation and that your journey begins now, not someday, because the world is waiting for the strongest and most awake version of you